võistleja number 1 Anastasia Ussova Korelak spordiklubist ning treeneriks Kristiina Kulker.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth move and then hear my heart burst again. The sky falls, only you stand tall, face it all together, as sky
Aitäh!